All right, this is period 2 debate. We're starting the debate. I'm going to read this slip. Noel is solving a division problem at the Burley Manor Institute of Many Mathematicians, and this will be on the screen underneath the video. She solved one problem in parentheses 4 plus 6 close parentheses divided by 2 by using the distributive property, dividing 4 by 2 and 6 by 2, leaving 2 plus 3 to arrive at her answer of 5. Later, she solved the problem 5 divided by parentheses 5 plus 15 close parentheses equals 4 using the same logic. Do you agree with her reasoning? Why or why not? Let's open the debate. Is she right? Is she right or wrong? Yes, Jenna, why not?
Well, I wouldn't have used the distributive property to start. I would have just done PEMDAS, so 4 plus 6 equals 10 divided by 2, and the answer would be 5.
Okay, good point. So you agree with her answer, though?
Yeah.
But you don't agree with how she did it?
Yeah.
Okay, fair.
I think either way you do it, I mean, if you arrive at the same answer, it's just what works for you, so I don't see anything.
So that's like, it's whatever you want to do. If it works.
Whatever works for you.
What did you say, Jordan? I don't know. I'm not sure. This works for this problem. Would it work for another?
Yeah. That's fine. Yeah.
Has anyone tried it?
I'm trying it right
Gavin?
Well, I did 7 divided by 7 plus 14 parentheses, and I got 4 plus 2 plus 3, and I got 3, and both ways. Distributive property and
So it worked.
yeah.
Say it again. What was it?
7 divided by 17 plus 14.
17?
No.
Or 7?
7.
7 divided by 7 plus 14,
Yeah.
which would be 1 plus 2,
Yeah.
which equals 3.
Yeah.
All right, so it works. So it works for that one. 7 divided by 7 is 7 divided by 21 3.
No, because that's a negative. 21 divided by 7.
Get on Joe's. Joe, say that again.
7 divided by 21 divided by 7 is 3, but 7 divided by 21 is 9.
Yeah, what is 7 divided by 21?
You mean like negative? It's going to be a decimal.
It's going to be a decimal.
What?
Right? Who said that?
Why would it be? No, it wouldn't be a negative. Because it's a decimal.
All right, so what
Why would
we
it be a negative? Because it doesn't.
All right, so it's set. I think what Jack is saying is 7 divided by 21. Those are two positive numbers.
Yeah.
Positive 7 divided by 21. So it's going to stay positive. But I see what Shaylin is saying because what she's thinking is it's less than 1.
Right.
It's got to be less than 1. But that won't necessarily make it a negative. Right? All right, so what Gavin did was he put the 7 in front. The 7 divided by whatever, and it didn't work. But what if we switched it to how he wanted to do it? 7 plus 14 in parentheses divided by 7. Does that work? Yes, it does. Interestingly enough. So does it depend?
I bet you this is just her way of thinking. Like, why does it matter how she does the problem? Just giving it a point.
Right.
Well, because it doesn't have to be different.
Okay. What about the second problem she did?
The second problem is what Gavin did is he gave the decimal.
Right, so is the second problem, did she get the second one right?
No.
But how do you know she's using the same exact way with the other problem? Like maybe she just wanted to get that out
She said later she solved the problem using the same logic.
Right.
Because that's 8, 5 divided by 5 is 1 plus 15 is 16.
Yeah, let's do that real quick. 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 5 divided by 15 divided by 5 is 3 equals 4. So she's correct in the second one, you guys said.
And how do you know she does that with every problem, or maybe she just turned out? You don't know. You don't know that that's the method that she used. Maybe she just used that method for those two problems.
But you also don't know that she used it just for that problem.
I know, so you don't know. But for those two problems, it's right.
Okay, has anyone worked out the second problem with using PEMDAS?
I think you get the same word.
It works?
Well, it's like the same exact way, but it's just like easier if you do it like.
Alright, I hear some disagreement here. Matt, can we get up on Jordan's disagreeing with
Because I said it, we were wrong.
Yeah, Maddie, get in here. Get in here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a decimal.
That's what I said.
So is it right or not? That's the question.
No, it's not right.
Now they're saying it's not right.
I get what Jordan's saying.
No,
You guys are like haters.
I'm
You guys are haters on my problem.
Yes. All right. Someone's using appropriate tools strategically now.
The
Let's
elf.
get to the bottom of this.
The elf is using it strategically.
And we need S1 too.
I like how it just kind of appeared.
Sitting us for this.
What's the answer, elf?
Exactly. Now who's uncomfortable? See, it does.
Can we get a close up on what the calculator says?
What the calculator says.
What does the calculator say?
The calculator says 20 divided by 5 equals 4, but 5 divided by 20 equals 25.
Ah. All right, do you guys hear that? Is she? So is this person right? Is Joelle right? For the second one.
She's right.
No,
She got the right answer, so she's right.
She got the right answer doing what she did. But if you solve it correctly, then
But she doesn't have to solve it correctly. She's still solving it. She's definitely
So the question is if that logic works with every single equation?
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Okay. Why? Why?
Because we just did an example right here. The first equation, it worked, right?
Right. So
And the second one, it didn't.
I guess the question is, what's the difference between those two equations? Why did it work for the first one and not work for the second one? All right, hold on. We got too many people going at once. We need 2 cameras. Layla. We're gonna go to Layla and then to Jack. Shh. All right, now we're gonna listen. Layla and then Jack have a couple. We have 2 things to say.
The first one is parentheses 4 plus 6 closing parentheses divided by 2, but then the second one is 5 divided by parentheses 5 plus 15 closing parentheses equals 4.
Oh.
So 5 comes first, so when you divide a smaller number by a bigger number, you're bound to get a decimal, but then, like, yeah. So why are you doing that?
Yes. Jack. Oh, that's what you're gonna say? Alright, so it looks like there's a difference between that first problem and the second one.
Right.
So we come down to?
So the real answer
Just because it.
For which one?
she's wrong.
The first one is wrong.
There you go, Shannon.
The first one is right, the second one's wrong. Because just because it has different numbers doesn't mean it works for every single one.
The reasoning only works when the division has a higher.
Alright, so here's the larger question. Here's the big question, and this is the real debate here.
Oh, yeah.
Does distributive property work for division?
no.
We know it works for what?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
And
All the time.
What about addition?
Correct?
Yeah.
And that's for addition and subtraction in the parentheses. But does it work for division? Go.
Well,
But it did work for one of them.
because it works sometimes.
It works depending on where
It works depending on where the trusted like
because
Way to solve a problem. It may work sometimes, but it's luck. That's
So
just
would
like
you do it? You tried? problem?
No, because you can't. It's not trustworthy. Like you can't trust that.
But if you took the
6 into 2 is
parentheses away,
14.
then it'd be the same thing.
Wait, but the parentheses
Who's
are
ready to go?
I know.
Yes. Layla's ready. Who else is ready? Karen's ready? Becky, ready? Don't do it yet. We're not doing it yet. Anyone else ready? Or does anyone need to discuss it any further? Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we should keep discussing it. I like this. Let's
Yeah, I like do it for the footage. I don't know if we have any more good footage left.
We can have me dancing around.
All right, that's officially the end of the debate right there.
Can I dance around, please?
All right, second period. So this is.
Did you get my good side?
All right, second period, really great debate. I think we covered almost every angle that we could have got. We got tools, we got elves, we had Jordan saying everyone's a hater. So
Everybody is. Everybody's like a hypocrite, but then when you do the problem,
then everyone comes on your side, right? After they figure it out.
well,
Can I dance around for the end?
All right, so that's the end of the debate. Great job, second period. Now I think that was our best debate yet. All right.
Wait.
Good job. Give yourselves a hand. All right. And C.